In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in stores with your PayPal account. With the growing preference for digital wallets, learning how to use PayPal for in-store purchases can be incredibly convenient. Whether you're already a PayPal user or just getting started, I'm going to guide you through setting up PayPal as your payment method on your mobile device using Google Play. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to head over to the Google Play Store. It's typically pre-installed on most Android devices, represented by a colourful Play icon. Once you're there, search for the PayPal app if you haven't installed it yet. This app is your gateway to accessing PayPal's vast range of features, including making payments in physical stores. After ensuring the PayPal app is ready on your device, go back to the main screen of the Google Play Store. Look for the payment methods option. This is usually found in the settings or account menu, depending on the version of the app you are using. Clicking on payment methods will bring up a list of all current payment methods linked to your Google account. Next up, tap on Add Payment Method. This step is crucial as it allows you to link new options for funding your purchase, including PayPal. The screen will prompt you with several options, and this is where you select PayPal from the list. By doing this, you are integrating your PayPal account directly into your device's payment systems, making it ready for any upcoming in-store transactions. Now let's connect your PayPal account. Upon selecting PayPal, a new window will open prompting you to log into your PayPal account. Use your existing credentials to sign in. If you don't have a PayPal account, you'll have the option to create one on the spot. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure your account is secure and set up correctly. Once logged in, PayPal will present a quick overview of its terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these to understand any fees or requirements that might apply. After accepting them, PayPal gets linked as one of your payment options. And there you have it. PayPal is now set up as a payment method on your device, ready for use in any store that accepts digital app payments. When you're at a store checkout, simply choose PayPal as your method of payment, let your phone handle the rest, and enjoy the simplicity and security PayPal offers. By harnessing the power of this versatile digital wallet, you can streamline your shopping experience everywhere you go. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping!